This is not just a layoff story. This is a story about fear, family, survival, and the new reality of a global tech world. Can you imagine working in a company for more than a decade? Building your career, building your identity, building your family's future over there. Now imagine losing all of that in one single email. Well, that is exactly what happened to an Indian tech professional, Hemant Virmani. It was October 2025, a normal night, a work routine, nothing unusual for him until a notification popped up. An email, perhaps, short, cold, direct. He was being laid off. Just like that, 11 and a half years of loyalty erased in seconds. Now, for Hemant, this was not just a job, it was a huge part of his life. For more than a decade, he watched projects grow, he built the team, he helped shape the technology system, and suddenly that chapter closed without any warning. But here's where this whole story takes a very powerful emotional turn. At the time of his job loss, Hemant's teenager daughter, she was facing her own battle. Just a year earlier, she had gone through long medical treatment. He had watched her fight pain, fear, uncertainty, and she never gave up. So when Hemant lost his job, he remembered her courage. In fact, he says that if a teenager can fight such a difficult health battle with strength, then a grown man can face unemployment too. Now that moment became his emotional turning point. But you know what? Hemant's story is not just personal, it reflects a growing global reality. Thousands of Indians working in major tech companies, specifically the US, they are facing layoffs. Cost cutting is happening every single day. Automation is rising and artificial intelligence is changing the hiring pattern rapidly, and in the US, Indians are not preferred. Let me give you a harsh reality here. The biggest struggle that is being faced by professionals above 45 of age is experience. Well, experience is once guaranteed respect and stability, right? It is now sometimes seen as expensive. Many senior professionals are finding it really hard to get interview calls. Another shocking example highlights this whole trend. A Gujarati professional lost his government job in 2025. Since then, he has submitted more than 200 job applications. 200, and still no job offer. In fact, in many cases, companies are simply not calling the older candidate for interviews. Now back to Hemant, he admits the shock was extremely painful for him. He had already seen colleagues lose their jobs earlier, layoff. He knew how brutal the experience could be. Yet, when it happened to him personally, it felt devastating because there is never an easy way to lose your job, right? But instead of collapsing, he chose preparation. Today, Hemant is rebuilding himself. He is studying artificial intelligence. He is learning new technology skills and he is applying for senior leadership roles in multiple times every single week. He calls this approach being proactive instead of reactive. He is also focusing on something many professionals ignore: health, mental strength, family bond, because job loss is not just financial stress, it is emotional stress. And recovery requires strength on every level. Hemant also has a message for people who are still working in tech. He says that do not assume that your job is permanent. The global work environment is changing faster than ever. Layoffs today are often not about performance, they are about business strategy, automation, and global economic pressure. His advice is simple yet really powerful. Well, prepare early, learn new skills continuously, and have a backup plan because in today's world, job security is no longer guaranteed even in the top global companies. While this story is not about one Indian professional, it represents thousands of silent battles being fought inside homes across the world. Late night worries, resume updates, interview rejection, family member offering emotional support. But it all shows something important: resistance, the ability to start again even when life pushes you back to zero. Well, the tech world is actually evolving. Artificial intelligence is reshaping careers. Experience alone is not enough. Adaptation has become the new survival. And as Hemant, he prepares for his next chapter, one very powerful lesson stands out. Sometimes losing a job is not the end of a career, it is the beginning of a completely new journey.